Hi, this is a pork loin. I had purchased it when it was on sale for like $1.49 a pound. It was one of those long ones, you know, those big ones that you can buy for like $1.49 a pound, and they're like 12 pounds, 15 pounds. And then I cut them into 3 sections. So today I put it in a baking pan with some red potatoes. I garnished all of it with salt, pepper, olive oil, and oregano, and a lemon, juice of 1 lemon. I squeezed it throughout the whole thing. And I'm going to bake it in the oven until it's medium done. I'm going to preheat the oven to 425. I'm going to stick it in the oven at 425 for approximately 20 minutes, and then I'm going to lower it to 325 and cook it the rest of the way. Should take about an hour, maybe 50 minutes to cook. But check it. If it's not, you know, at the desired consistency, put it in a little longer. It's better having cooked pork than uncooked pork. Thank you. Okay, so here's our pork. Just took it out of the oven. You see how nice and brown the potatoes and the pork has come out. It's going to taste really good, especially with the lemon. I'm just going to see what the temperature is in the center. And we want it medium for the pork. So it's telling us that it needs a little bit more to cook. I'm going to put it back in for another 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and check it. Okay, so I cooked everything another 10 minutes. Let's see if it's ready. I wanted it medium. I'm going to say it's perfect. I'm going to let it sit so the juices run through it, and then I'll serve it. Thank you for watching. So here's the meal. I cut up the pork into slices, served it up with the nice lemony potatoes, and to that I am also going to just put a little more of that juice over the pork. I squeezed the whole lemon in there, and if you really like lemon, then you'll love this. If you want a little less lemon, then just squeeze in a half a lemon and see how you like it. If you want more, add it next time. Thank you.